Good morning, you guys. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. I just woke up right now. I'm ready to start this day. I have somewhat of a lot of things to do. So let's get this day started. Okay guys, so I'm literally holding the entire tripod to film, but I am literally done right now with stretching in bed, playing with my phone, which is a bad habit that I have. However, let's get ready with washing my face and everything. I just literally can't film while holding this huge tripod, so let's set it down and start my morning routine. Okay guys, so I haven't organized my desk in a long time since the last time I organized my desk, which is a month or so ago. So I think it's time for desk organization video. Another time lapse, you guys. You know I love making some time lapse montage or whatever. So yeah, let's do that. So the lights are on because it started getting a bit dark. However, the desk is pretty much organized. I just have to remove and add some stuff, just clean it a bit more than it's already clean. So let's start doing that right now. You guys, so my sister is also organizing everything right now. She is organizing her commode right here, or the side desk. Mila, your hair is a bit messy today.
Yeah, I know. I still have to do a lot of stuff.
Okay, I also have to clean my side of the room. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do today, guys. We have a lot of stuff. Okay guys, so I took a little break and watched some KUWTK on my laptop. Right now I also lit a candle and it's almost burned down. I actually love it. I really love it. Now it's time to go back to organizing the desk, so let's do that. Hey guys, so I'm currently studying my ESS, and it's all about, you guys, I have a quiz tomorrow. I have actually two quizzes. I have a computer science quiz and an English social studies / history quiz. So I'm studying this history section right now, and I'm so tired. I really want to take a break. Thank God tomorrow's our day of school because Thursday is off. It's a national holiday, so yeah. I probably will be going out with Maddox, so I'm gonna finish this, you guys, and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, so I'm currently in the elevator. I don't know why I'm wearing this, but I just decided to wear it just as extra safety or whatever. And it looks nice. It's something instead of the mask. So we're going up now to get the cake mix. So I'm going to the supermarket right now to get my cake mix. So see you there. So we're in, and people are like looking at me so weirdly. So let's look for the cake mix. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I think I'm close. Yeah. Okay. There's a guy right here. There's a guy right here. Oh, I'm currently walking in the streets, trying to find another supermarket because I didn't the cake mix that I want or the kind that I want, and I'm currently walking in my pajamas. So this is a nightmare right now. We'll see you in the supermarket because I don't want to show too much of my location. But I love that at my grandma's house, there's like a lot of availabilities. It's like really helping. So I could just like anytime if I need anything, you could go. So I have to go right now. See you in the supermarket, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm in the supermarket right now in my pajamas, and everyone is looking at me so crazily. So I'm looking for the cake mix right now. I don't know what it is. I really want to hide from everyone. Oh my god, I don't see it. Wait, I think I remember. Like this. Yeah, it is here. Yep, found it. Oh my god, I still can't find the one that I want. So why is that? Like, why? I really want the strawberry one. Okay guys, I'm just gonna set you guys down as I try to look for it. Like maybe it's like somewhere. So I'm gonna just leave the phone until I look for it, okay? Okay guys, so I have actually no other choice. I don't know what to decide. I'm so bad at making decisions. So I think I'm gonna get this like milk chocolate one. I usually like get and love this strawberry one, but I always get it. So I want to change. I wanted to get strawberry one from this like type, but I cannot find it. So I think I'm just gonna get the milk chocolate. I think we got this one before, but I cannot remember. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get this one and hope for the best, you know? I don't know what to do. There's also an orange one, like this one right here. So I don't know. But let's just take this. So yeah, let's go. Got the goodies! Yay!